Okay. Hello, Sam. Happy birthday. How are you tonight?
Good.
Good. How about si Mommy Lynn? Hello, Mommy Lynn. How are you tonight?
Good.
Okay, Mommy and Sam. Okay, sorry. Sam, how do you feel that we're celebrating your 7th birthday tonight? How about you, Mommy Lynn? Ano pong nararamdaman nila? So, na-celebrate namin ang 7th birthday ngayon ni Sam. Happy. Okay, last question for you, Mommy Lynn and Sam. Okay, are you prepared in celebrating your 7th birthday, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, how about you, Mommy Lynn? Prepared ba kayo? Okay. So this time, dahil prepared si Sam, this time, siya naman ang sasaya! Sam, let's repeat. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Go! Okay, so this time the pretzels for this evening, and now declares Sam as the princess of this party. And now let's all sing her a happy birthday. Okay, everybody, clap your hands for Sam. Everybody, clap your hands and sing with me. Sing with us. Happy birthday to you. Everyone sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, last one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Sam. Okay, everybody, let's all shout happy birthday, Sam. 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday!